this video, I would like to show you how simple it is to take your design from Figma and paste it directly to Meno, just with one click. So let me start from the very beginning. The first thing which you need to do is to create a new project. We'll start with a blank and click create a repository. So right now in your organization there is created blank repository for Meno project. So right now in Figma you need to select a frame which you would like to convert, then go to plugins and find Meno. So right now you can click export to Meno and just paste it to Meno. Right now you will see that we don't have fonts. It's very simple to add a font. You just need to go to the settings, click add. In this case it will be Inter, and automatically we have fonts. If you would like to make this one responsive, we can add few changes. So I can see the structure here and I see that this one has a positioning absolute. So on tablet we can change it to relative, and for the parent that would be good to add flex direction column, yes, and image, let's make it with 100%. Let's reduce height of this element, and right now this section gets pretty good responsiveness. I can see that, for example, this one here does not work good, and let's check why. We have this one with a width, this one okay, this element I can see that has a width which is assigned 572 pixels, and this is because in Figma this object has 572 width. So this one was just transformed through Figma to Meno. So if you would like to remove it, you can click here and delete, or you can hold Option and just click here, and this way it's automatically removed. So right now we should not have this problem. Let me check if there are any other widths, because if there are, we just need to remove it to make our design work correctly in on all breakpoints. For example, this one, yes, this one I can see has also a width. So if you prepare Figma better, then you have less work. Okay, so this one, when I removed width, it's just like this. So that would be good to add max width, 420 pixels. So this will work much better for responsive sites. And right now our section is perfectly aligned on all breakpoints. So let me show you how it looks in Figma. If you want to make your designs responsive, ready for Meno export, that would be good to prepare everything in auto layouts, because we need auto layouts to be able to transform Figma to Meno. If you don't want to make auto layouts, that would be better to just take it a screenshot and ask AI to set it up in Meno. You can also do it here in AI Assistant. You can use our built-in AI Assistant or Cloud Code, and Cloud Code based on the image will be also able to do quite similar transformation based on the image, But if you will transfer directly from auto layouts, you will have much better control on the structure and precise spacing of everything. So then we'll be able to exactly do this exactly the same as in Figma, and also a little bit faster, because as you see, it took us just few seconds. So right now, if you need to start working on auto layouts, basically it's quite simple. Let me show it on example. Let me add a simple frame with few elements. So for example, we have two elements. We need to add auto layout. So you hold Shift and then you can use command. One moment. You can use add auto layout, Shift A. And this way, this is in auto layout. So basically, you just need to go through your entire section, do auto layouts. You don't have to copy entire section. You can just copy, for example, this part. You can open Meno and then paste. Let me go to the desktop. If I will be here and paste it after, you can see that only this part has been moved to Meno. Of course, this is just the beginning of the transformation, because we also need to set up some tags. For example, this one could be H1 and this one could be convert to link. And then we can also add some variables. So for example, in this one, if I would like to make it a variable, I can click here and then pick heading, property size 1. So this way I created a variable, so then I can reuse it. You can also connect variables with Figma variables using transfer variables mode on. You can also match Meno components with Figma components, so then everything will be connected, both variables and components. So we have a lot of options here. So, but this is just the basic information for you on how to use Figma plugin. So I will not make this video too long. I hope you like it. If you have any feedback, let me know in the comment.